Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this slim line toaster. This thing is amazing for space saving, and you get an 1.5 inch wide by about 10 inches here, so you can hold all sorts of things in here. Whether you've got a long piece of bread or you have two separate pieces of bread, you can easily just stick them in the toaster side by side, and you've got plenty of room in there, and you have everything right here on the front to be able to control it all. So it just plugs into a standard 110 outlet, and you've got 7 different levels of toastiness that you want to have. You can defrost, you can do it on bagel mode, and you can cancel it. So if you're looking at it and you think that, hey, it's going to get too dark too fast, you can easily press cancel and be able to stop that from going. But as you look inside there, you see it all heating up, and it will do all of it, within the little bit of time that it takes. Also, on the back, while this is toasting, I will show you, it does have this nice little breadcrumb remover. So just like anything, it gets toasty, it makes a mess, you can easily just pull out this nice long tray, dump it out, then put it back in to have a nice fresh area to be able to go. But we will let this toast and then check this out. I love how this nice stainless design all the way around here, very pretty and sleek. It'd be great on any counter. Well, let's give it just a minute and we'll check out the results. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cancel it. You see it comes up, and that just with that little bitty bit, you can actually see that nice little golden area around here. So that is great, it's not burning it. Feels fantastic. I love how it's so slim and so nice, and you can put whatever size bread or bagel, muffin, anything like that in here. Be great for any kitchen counter.